below the water. Images of birds in flight soaring through the sky signifies freedom and hope. But flight is not the only skill they know. So join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let us start the show by welcoming our flag raising bird, Bandit. Now, Bandit right here is a red and also known as the green macaw. Now, these birds are found in the woodlands and forests of Northern and Central South America. And their adults are showcasing its targets to have it around a moss for Bandit.
Oh, the bird. The big bird.
So before we start the game, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for blue. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Go blue, go blue. And all the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Go Azul, go Azul. Now are you with a gray on its back and wings? So they are the second largest raptor in Australia. Now these birds are known to be skilled hunters and also